In this video, I will show you how to show what game you are playing on Discord. Firstly, open the Discord app and click on the user settings in the bottom left next to your username. Scroll down and select Registered Games under the Activity Settings section. Ensure the Display Current Activity as a status message option is enabled. Now, if Discord does not automatically detect the game, you can add it manually. Open the user settings again and go to the Registered Games. Click Add It next to Not Seeing Your Game. Select the running game from your drop-down menu or manually type its name. If it's not listed, then click Add Game. If the game still isn't showing up, make sure you have the latest version of Discord. Just check for new updates and try again. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.